everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am building an A-frame pumpkin trellis. I used 7 2x8 boards I got over at Home Depot and a couple of screws, and that's about it. I hope you guys enjoy and stick around and watch me take care of some chicken needs and some little mini backyard homesteading. So I've been eaten alive by mosquitoes, but is it a perfect? No. This is open in the front. Yes, I'm perfect. The kids want a reading area that they can go under the pumpkins, and this will be it. I'm going to fasten wire in between these, and then I'm going to put shelves for. So I just temporarily set this here. This is actually where this is going. I had my fig trees. I'm going to be putting these into containers and in my front side yard, and this is where I'm going to be putting my pumpkins. This is the trellis that I built earlier that I'm showing you. I stapled this net, as well as it has these heavy duty, and then I'm going to put boards across as they grow and produce their fruit. That way they can sit on them kind of like a shelf, which will be really nice because they can then zigzag up, down, back and forth. We're going to have pumpkins, watermelon, and butternut squash, and it gives them enough because once I put the boards going back and forth across, it gives them room to run back and forth because I'm going to be training them to go up and then back and down through the shelves. So should be cool. And the kids may or may not do the shelving, probably just up top, and then do netting hanging on the wood. But this will be fun too, because then you can sit under this little magical house.
She's got 1,000 thoughts racing in her head, dreams so big they shake her bed. Running fast, losing track of time, got a heart that chimes like a bell on high. Days go by in a whizzing whirl, fingers tapping, she's a busy girl, chasing stars but losing sight. Every day is a new fight, but she's dancing to her own song, even when the notes go wrong. Waves of doubt can't wash away the fire in her eyes that lights the way.
Oh, there, it's open over there. They go in and out. She's taking a dirt bath.
It's a heart shape out of it.
Oh, it is a heart shape. That's perfect. Give me some right here. We gotta lure them out. Come on, chicks. Uh-oh. How did that get down there? Come on, chickies. I do want to block off the fence area, so I'm going to take this. Hang on, I'm going to move this. Watch out. I'm going to move this to block. Ready? Go ahead and hold it. There's one. It's a good sized pickling pickle.
I don't think this one's ready. That one's not
No,
ready.
but there is a couple. I saw them from the other side. There you go. There's another one. That is a very big pickling cucumber. I think we can probably... Well, plus the ones we have inside, we can make you some sweet, the refrigerator pickles.
Oh, we can make pickles?
The refrigerator pickles, the sweet ones. Go ahead and grab those.
This one. Oh, we pick all these.
Go ahead and take them all.
2,
You don't have to pinch, just pull.
3, 4.
There you go. All right.
I think that's good enough.
No, if you don't pick them, they won't produce. They'll stop producing.
I only see baby ones at the bottom.
Yeah, that's fine. Yep. Here, this one. Do you know how to get down? No, just snap
You can't
right
twist them.
You're pulling on this too hard. There you go, bud.
Okay.
Here, look. Some more kale and collard greens. I'm just going to cut them. Take it.
It's starting to die.
Not really. These things will keep going.
Wait, are they supposed to?
Yep, they're supposed to
those holes
actually
like
curl.
that?
Yeah. Oh, no, the curl leaf is supposed to be. The holes is just from bugs and stuff because we don't use pesticides. And the chickens got up in here yesterday. So these ones, I'm just going to cut all these ones off because the chickens got a...
I'll hold on to it. Oh, that green powder you made?
Yeah, but I need more green. Yep, so just put them on top of this. We got to wash them and put them in the dehydrator.
Can I also help? Can I help in the...
Oh, bless you.
I have really bad allergies.
We got to go take your allergy medicine. It also might be that hay.
Yes.
I wonder if you're allergic to hay, bud. We got, or not hay, we didn't get hay, we got straw. That's a good piece of kale.
I think it's just...
Ragweed. Here, Wednesday. It's a good collard green. I'll give that one to the chicken. It's supposed to be that green. It's supposed to get dark. We've been picking them early. They turn into big heads like cabbage, technically. We just grow them like we do lettuce, so we can compound it. Just put it on top. Push it down.
That's so much.
Well, it breaks down and it doesn't turn into that
Well,
much.
it doesn't matter if those break down anyway, because we're smashing.
We're gonna dehydrate them and smash them.
Wait, what will we use the tiny grains for?
That's what we're gonna make our powder, green powder.
What do you use green powder for?
It's like a superfood.
Oh, can you put it in drinks and food?
And smoothies. That smoothie I made you guys last time had it.
Or you could put it on steak.
You can put it in any and just add it to your different stuff. Some of these I'll let drop down for the chickens. As you see here, how they've been clipping off the leaves off the ones that come down, which is fine because they're trimming it for us. See, there's some down there. I dropped some down there for them. They have it. They'll come and get it. The chicks will come and get it. Okay, so it has been a crazy wet mess the last 4 days. We went from rapid high heat of 98 plus degrees plus humidity. Girls are doing great. Look at them all. I had to add a bunch of straw to the coop just because the rain amount was so bad. I usually have shavings, but they were not staying as dry. And I had to put a board up to help block rain from coming in. It looks like it might rain again soon. So I don't want to really, I know girls, you want out. You have not been out. You didn't come out yesterday for very long. You did come out. No, back up. Out, you stink pots. All right, come out for a little bit. They really want it out, as you can see. Here, chickies. And I did move this. That's how hot it was. I had it up and then I moved it. Here, chicks. Oh, look what I got. Oh my goodness, look, what is this? Those little babies, they have no idea. They're little. So I got this GrubTerra black solid fly larvae. This is so good. As you can see, I've already gone through a lot of bags. Not trying to overly treat them, but sometimes I feel really bad when they've been locked up inside because of the rain. But this will really help with their feathers, and the eggshells are hard and not super soft. Like I said, do you see how muddy? It's been so flooded. Hey girls. These are our babies. They are so big. Why is your feathers falling out? Here. What do I got? Oh, is that yummy? You gotta try it. That's good. Oh, it's a treat. Good, eat it. It says, I don't know what that is, Mom. So that's good, isn't it? They like it. So this is my Mystic Moran. And what we thought was a silver lace, because that's what we ordered, but it turns out they didn't have them. So we got us a black Australorp. So I guess they have a very high production. Very kind birds. Oh, you're going to eat them all. Ouch, my fingers. Oh, man, I think you have so many. She says, but I want more of those. Those are good. Come on, babies. Come on, Raven. Come on, Raven. Wednesday. Would you like some Wednesday? Yep, I'm going to say that these are definitely Wednesday, it was my finger. You have to be gentle. Here you go, babies. I'll throw some in there. But so, like I said, we had to add a little bit of extra straw up in here. I have a whole bunch more, but it started pouring down when I came home with it. But yes, if it is very rainy, you add straw to your run. It helps at least far as keeping your lady's feet dry. Anybody else want some? Hey, Miss Queen Charlotte, please don't. She is so aggressive. She's aggressive. Can you tell she's a queen? She's got a little crown on her head. Mrs. Angel. That's Cupcake. You are so much. Do you see how muddy they are, these girls? Oh my goodness. Hi, Penguin. Nah. Hello, Nugget. Hi, Lady Hawk here. She pecked me. Was like, excuse me, where's mine? But this stuff is really cool. It's really good. High protein. It helps with their feathers, egg production. They're farm raised, and not only this, but my hermit crabs will also enjoy these because my chicks love mealworms. Do you want some out of my hand? There you go, Lady Hawk. Oh my goodness. These baby chicks are almost as big. These are going to be big birds because look at your feathers. What's up with the feathers? Who didn't get some? I would say that this is a win, and I'm going to give a shout out to GrubTerra. I'm going to be putting a link below directly to these. So I'm going to link it in the bio of the video. These GrubTerra black solid fly larvae. Like I said, this is the 1 pound. They were so kind to send it to me and see how my chicken and my ladies liked it. And so far, so good. We are liking it. Sorry, guys. A couple days after I built this, 4 days since I built this. I do have this, as you can see, my hens. And I taped an owl to it because of the hawks and the birds eating all of my raspberries. And hey, look at her trying to eat my blueberries. Yeah, ladies, get out of there. Those are my blueberries. See that? And I'm sure you can hear all the birds. So I have to safeguard all of my plants. So we have our pumpkins, butternut squash, and we got some smaller watermelon that's going to be growing right on up. It's great. And then I do have a gate thingy that opens in this, so that way, because once they're growing up, I think it'd be really good to be able to chill inside there with the pumpkins at least and sit and read. It'd be kind of cool. All right, guys, so thanks for following along. That is my DIY trellis. This I bought off of Temu, and it did not last very long. As you see, it's already broken, but my grapes have went up and through it, and now I have to figure out something else to do with those. And the blackberries. Don't go into the field. No, ladies. No. Tell everybody. Say bye, ladies. Bye, YouTube. Bye-bye. Thanks, GrubTerra. Like I said, links in the bio for the GrubTerra, as well as the dimensions for my pumpkin trellis. Later.